Welcome back to my investment journey where I share both the wins and losses because, let's be real, investing isn't always sunshine and profits. If you've ever thought about starting small in the stock market, this video is for you. I'm going to break down exactly what happened in my portfolio throughout August and share a few nuggets I've picked up along the way. So at the start of August, I already deposited 1,114 US dollars into my account. My strategy is simple. I deposit money into my Trading 212 account and then $10 is automatically invested every single day. This is called dollar cost averaging. This way, I build the habit of investing and I don't have to stress about timing the market. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. By August 8th, my portfolio was at $1,132. That's a gain of $18 and a return of 3.1%. That was a decline of $9 from $1,141 the previous week of July 25th. Fast forward a week to August 15th, my portfolio hit $1,145. That's a total return of $31 or 5% gain. This was a key moment for me. It showed how quickly your portfolio can grow when you stick to the plan. Small daily habits compound into big results over time. Think of it like watering a plant. A little every day, and soon enough you will see growth. On August 20th, I deposited $162. But here's something people don't always realize. When I deposit funds, they don't go directly into my investments. Instead, Trading 212 takes that cash and keeps applying my $10 per day auto invest strategy. That means I don't just throw in lump sums and hope for the best. I stay disciplined. Discipline beats emotion. Automatic investing protects you from emotional decisions, especially on red days. By August 22nd, my account had grown to $1,316. My total return was $40 with a 6.5% rate of return. At this point, I was feeling pretty good, but here's where reality hits. By the end of the month, August 29th, my portfolio slipped to $1,314. My return dipped to $38 or about 5.9%. And this is important. The market gives and the market takes. That's just how investing works. A dip isn't a failure. It's a normal part of the journey. What matters is that I kept my discipline and continued my $10 a day investment. So what did August teach me? Consistency matters more than hype. Patience is everything. Deposits don't instantly turn into gains. And most importantly, investing isn't about winning every week. It's about sticking with the process for the long haul. Right now, my portfolio might be small, but every $10 invested is a step closer to financial freedom. And that's what this journey is really about. Building wealth slowly and steadily without the noise. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, and let me know in the comments, would you rather chase quick gains or build slow and steady wealth with a $10 a day strategy? Let's grow together.